So what types of maintenance does James Hardie siding require? James Hardie sells two different types of siding. Primed only, which means it's just gray, primed, painted only. And then they sell Color Plus technology is where it's actually painted at the factory and it has a warranty on the paint job. That's what we predominantly sell. I would say 95% of our business is Color Plus technology. And the selling point is the paint job has like a 10 or 15 year warranty on it. And so you're not painting the house anytime soon, and it probably lasts longer than that without any real problems. But maintenance-wise, it's very simple to maintain Hardie siding. Different box stores sell detergent kits that you can buy, and it's literally a bottle that you hook up to a hose. You turn the application one way and it puts a light mist of detergent on the siding. It activates the dirt just like your laundry machine does. And then you wait a few minutes and you come back and hose it off, just rinse it off. Do not power wash Hardie siding. Do not power wash vinyl siding because it will take the coating right off with enough pressure right up to it. So absolutely do not power wash siding, vinyl siding or Hardie siding whatsoever. But the mild detergent and the spraying off the siding, that won't hurt it whatsoever. And it's very easy to maintain. And it's like, I just always use this example. It's like washing a car. It always looks better. And in my opinion, it always runs better too when it's clean. So it's simple to take care of.